Hi everyone, Nancy with Our Treasure Hunt, and welcome back to our channel. And today I made this a while back. It was turkey spaghetti, ground turkey, beef, not beef, turkey burger, however, it's ground turkey. And I made spaghetti with it, but with a little bit of different stuff. I added an onion and okra and a can of diced tomatoes because I can't have beef. So, you know, you do what you gotta do. And let's see here. Well, let me just turn this around. See my double chin. And here we go. I broke up the spaghetti smaller. And see, here's okra. My tomatoes, there's onions in there. There's ground turkey somewhere hiding. There we go. So I made a big batch and then I broke it down and I froze it because, you know, I wanted to try something out. People say you can't freeze noodles. It froze really well. When I do this again, I will show you the process. Because yes, anybody can say anything. You know, what can I say? I heated it up before I... But I will make it again. And I will show you me putting it in the freezer, letting it freeze, and I'll show you what it looks like. But today I thawed it out and I heated it back up. It tastes just as good as the day I made it. Oh goodness. I'm going to add some cheese to this. But I went ahead and put a little bit of seasoning back into it. Added some more, about like a half a teaspoon of basil, teaspoon of chives, a little bit of salt, some parsley flakes, and about a teaspoon of garlic. Also added a little bit of pepper, just to, you know, put flavors back into it. I'll explain all that in just a moment. But yes, oh my goodness, it tastes so good. So what I'm going to do, grocery time, we clean out the fridge. So yes, we done made space, cleaned it up. This is the grated cheese that we use, not sponsored, but that would be wonderful. Alright. I'm going to open this thing. Well, that's not the open one. Oh, I see the open one. Yeah, the trash can is full. We'll be doing that in a little bit. So I'm going to add some cheese. And voila. There is lunch. Oh, it is so good. So, what am I doing in the background over here? Ooh, I've done a lot of things. I did this on my Instagram because I saw an experiment. Oh, my mom, like months ago. Guess around Christmas time. How eggs, they boiled eggs, soaked them overnight, and within a week, how it all changed. The last time I did this, they sat here on the counter for 3 weeks. And then I was asked, did I even taste the eggs? And I was like, no, I didn't. But, I can do it again. And this time I'll taste the eggs. So, I boiled eggs. Then the leftover boiled eggs. This one's water. That one's coffee. Ooh, not my finger. That's coffee. Now this is sugar. Mountain Dew Apple Thrush. This is sugar. And this is zero sugar Pepsi. So last time I used sugar-free, zero sugar, sugar-free Coca-Cola. So This time we're going to do Pepsi, and we're going to see what happens. So, of course, you know, the water didn't do anything. This one's already taken the color of coffee. And I'll switch hands. So, and this, the last time we did with the green thrush, it actually turned green. The shell, the egg, everything. That was so cool. And then, here's my pinky out. And then the Pepsi. So that looks like, ooh, that's taking color too. The last time with the Coca-Cola, I'll look at the pictures and see how fast that took. So, but I was just like, I'm willing to try this again. I want to see what happens. And then I want to see what they taste like. Well, I guess we all know the one in water will taste like regular egg. But we shall see. And I will try to remember to do a video, take along every day. If not, I'll try to post some pictures of it. But that is what I've done. And that's not all I've done today. Let me retract that. No, I've been a busy girl. Just taking a break for lunch. But I did do, got pictures. I dehydrated some oranges and some lemons. Dehydrate oranges and lemons. And that reminds me, I need to check on my fermentation and stuff that's going on over there. And the shiitake mushrooms that I get, I don't usually use them up that fast. I guess you could use them every day, but sometimes I don't because I want something different. So this time, since I had 2 packages, I dehydrated the mushrooms and then made a mushroom powder. And I got that idea from Ellen. Ellen's Abundant Life on Less, and I'll link her channel down below. And I was like, put them in as a mushroom powder, and then, yeah, I could use that up really good. I could put it in soup, stews. I probably could even put it in the spaghetti. Oh, so many different dishes you could use it in. And that way your mushrooms don't go bad. And you still have that wonderful taste. So, that is what I've done so far today. This afternoon. It's going to be 72 here. Yay! So, I will be outside cleaning up my containers. Don't I look so thrilled? Yay! But, yeah, I've got to dump all that old soil. I gotta dump it all. I've amended it twice. Last year and the year before, I put some stuff in it, and yeah, it's time to get some fresh. So that is my job for the afternoon. I'll let you know how it goes. Definitely. So if y'all haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.